Hi everyone, I'm your Babjiram. Last video we know that why Java is more powerful than C and C++. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about history of Java language. At the same time, what are the different type of classifications of Java language? Okay, so let us enter into the video. Java language is classified into three types. Okay, the first one comes under desktop applications, second one comes under web applications, and the third one comes under mobile applications. Okay, so that means Java programming language, the first one we can call it as Java Standard Edition. Basically, we can call it as core Java. Okay, that means basics of programming, at the same time how to do various programs, various concepts in the Java language, and with the help of this core Java we can develop desktop applications, desktop related applications, okay, like PC oriented applications like Adobe Reader, Google Chrome, Media Player, Notepad. So like that we can develop different kind of applications which is suitable for the desktop. Okay, and the second version comes under Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. So with the help of this Enterprise Edition we can develop websites and we can also develop bank side applications, okay, like ATM applications and railway reservation applications. Everything comes under this second category. Okay, basically this Java Enterprise Edition we can call it as advanced Java, and the third category comes under Java Mobile Edition or Java Micro Edition. So with the help of this Java ME we can develop small programs, small memory related applications. Okay, so nowadays we are using mobile side, app size is like 30 MB, 20 MB, 10 MB, 5 MB, like that. The sizes are very small. Okay, so such kind of applications also we can develop through the Java language. That is the specialty of Java language. So Java is classified into Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition and Micro Edition. So Standard Edition is compulsory to write enterprise related programs. Standard Edition is needed to develop the Micro Edition programs. I hope you understand what are the classifications of Java. Total we have three classifications. Okay. History of Java. So sometimes we can expect some interview related questions from Java side, as well as from academic side we can expect some kind of bits as well as some kind of short related questions and about what is the history of Java language. So during 1990s, C and C++ were popular programming languages. Okay, and DOS is very popular operating system. In this time, Sun Microsystems company want to develop one project, and the project name is called as Green Project. The main aim of this Green Project is developing handheld devices. That means handheld devices. We can develop small handheld devices like remote controllers, consumer electronic devices. That is a main objective of this Green Project. In this project, James Gosling, Mike, Patrick, there are three team members assigned for this Green Project. Initially, this Green Project we can call it as Stealth Project. Okay, so what is the aim of this project? To develop handheld devices. So that is nothing but remotes. So in this case, James Gosling focused on programming side, Mike is focused on business development approach, and Patrick is focused on graphic design. But the main person is James Gosling. So James Gosling is a father of Java language. And this James Gosling is thought that C and C++ both are powerful languages. With the help of C and C++, we can develop this project. But problem is, it is completely system dependent. Okay, so he thought that he want to develop one new language. This language is common for each and every device. Okay, so that's why James Gosling developed one new programming, that means system independent programming language, is called Java. Okay, so Java is system independent language and we can run in different kind of machines. Initially, Java language we can call it as Oak. Oak is initial language of Java. Why? So while developing the project, there are some trees are available. At the same time, the team decided that Oak is the name of this project, and there is some obligations. Okay, Oak is national tree for US, France, Germany, like that many countries having national tree of Oak. At the same time, few companies already registered for the Oak. This team is looking for the other name. Okay, and James Gosling and his team members thought that we need one new name. Okay, so during that time, while developing this project, James Gosling, his team members consumed a lot of coffee as well as tea. Okay, they thought that this coffee played very important role to develop these handheld devices. Okay, so they thought that coffee is the best name, but alternative name of the coffee during 1800, Java Island from Indonesia is popular for the coffee seeds. Okay, so they decided that Java is the name, and the James Gosling name is also starts with the J. So ultimately, Java is programming language. So this is the basic history of Java programming language. First version of Java language launched during 1996 January 23. Okay, the latest version is JDK 14. So the popular version is JDK 11. During 2009 and 2010, this Sun Microsystem hand over this Java to the Oracle company. Okay, now the Java works under Oracle. Okay, so if you want to download any software related to Java, we can visit our Oracle website, right? So this is the basic history of Java language. Nowadays, millions of developers working with the Java. At the same time, billions of devices works with the Java. Okay, so Java is most powerful programming language. Let's talk about history guidelines. So during 1990, the Sun Microsystem want to develop handheld devices. So this is the objective of 1990. So in the 1991, the team already developed new programming language. So they started developing programs which is related to handheld devices, and they introduced OOPS concepts in this language. So in the 1992, this language name initially we can call as Oak, and the first handheld device is also made in 1992. And in the year 1993, www is very popular. So this Java people launched web applets, which is completely supported for the www. So and 1994, there are few web browsers came from the market. So alternative of that browsers, this Sun Microsystem launched Hot Java web browser. Okay, and during 1995, this Oak renamed as Java because of obligations. Lot of countries national tree is Oak. Okay, and due to that obligations, OK is renamed as Java. And there are some companies like Microsoft, Intel, they are giving a lot of support for the Java. Yes, this is the right programming language for the different type of applications, different type of machines. So they given a lot of support during 1995. So in the 1996, the first version of Java released, that is called as JDK 1.0, January 23, 1996, it was released. Okay, so this is the basic history milestones of Java. Okay, so during 2009 and 2010, this Sun Microsystem giving this Java program to the Oracle. Oracle is buying this Java. Okay, now this Java is under Oracle Corporation. So the latest version of Java is JDK 14. That means Java 14 version is available last February 2020. Okay, so 2018 Java 11 is very popular. 11 is very popular for the many users. Okay, so this is the basic history of Java language. So Java name is coming from Indonesia island Java, because it is famous for the seeds of coffee. And you can also observe that the symbol of Java language is teacup and saucer. So this is the basic history of Java language. I think you got my points. So if you have any questions, please comment in the box. Okay, so if you like this video, please like button and share to your friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.